Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this stunning Triumph Street 77765R, registered the 16th of January 2025 on a 74 plate with only 753 miles and presented in silver ice. This superb low-mileage example is in outstanding condition and a credit to its former loving owner and benefits from main dealer service history. The Street Triple is always a firm favourite of ours. It's not just a great first bike for new riders, it's a great bike full stop. The Triumph 765 Street Triple R is the must-have go-to naked bike. It's lightweight, flickable, and inspires confidence with its 3-cylinder small and focused powerhouse. It really is a motorcycle you can just get on and gel with from the start. This awesome triple would leave us serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small £89 admin fee on all of our bikes. Part exchanges are welcome. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 480 email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.